Hi and today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. We will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Tapon and you will enter. Here we click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.